So in today's video we will be continuing our Flappy Bird from scratch. So let's get started. So now we have to go to controls. Then I will be explaining you the codes why we are writing things, but first let us complete our codes. Now we have to complete defining our jump. No, sorry, we have already completed our codes of cat. So first let me explain you all the codes. So first thing, when flag is clicked, so whenever we will click the flag, the score will be initially set to 0 and our bird will automatically get to minus 83x and minus 63y. Let me show it to you. So like this, and then it will show our bird, and now the forever thing will happen. So after this, foreverly, if we will press space key or W key, then this will jump. Now what is the definition of jump? Because there is no jump key in scratch, so we have defined it here that it will switch costume to jump. That means it is right now like this, and when we will click space or W, it will switch to this. Let me show it to you. As you can see, and repeat 3 times by changing Y by 4. So whenever we will click space bar or W, it will jump, and the meaning of jump is to switch this cat, flying cat, to jump cat, and then change Y, that means the height, by plus 4, that means it will go up 4 pixels, and this will repeat 3 times, and then switch costume to fly, and then again to this cat. After this will happen, if this cat will touch this ground or touches this, the game will automatically be stopped. Let me show it to you. It stopped. Now we are going to make codes of our obstacles. So we need to make that our obstacles come here and hit it. So let me place it, and now let's start. So first of all, every time we have to keep this, and now we want that when this starts moving, this should hide. So we will go to looks and then hide, and then we want it to go here. So the coordinates are, let me do it again. So automatically the coordinates will come here. So the y is 0 and x is this, and now we want it to show. So first thing, we want it to show forever. So here we will bring forever, then the show type, And then now we want the obstacles to glide here to here. So for that we will again go to the motion and we will pick nose and then we will take it here. No. Yep. So we will get our coordinates. We will bring it here and then we want it to go back here in this coordinate. So we will again bring this. No, sorry, not here. We will bring this. Change the coordinates to 1 6 3. Now let's now let's check whether it is working. Actually I think this is too much fast, so let us do this glide for 3 seconds. Now let's try. So I think this was the error. Yep, but the problem is that the score is not increasing, so we need to code it. So let's code. Now we want to increase the score, so for that we'll go to data and change score by 1 and we will put it here. Now let us test it. Yep, you can see it is increasing our score. So that is much for our today's video. Thank you. Bye bye.